Hi everyone, I'm Grant Dominic, your automation specialist VA. Today, I'm excited to show you my latest project, automating the freight coating process. We all know that hunting coats manually is highly repetitive. In this video, I'll walk you through how my workflow works and how it streamlines operations. Let's start the automation. So it all starts right here with our trigger node on form submission. So the moment client fills out a code request from on our websites or our funnel, this workflow wakes up and captures all their shipping details instantly. So after they capture the data only here, it will pass through the our node number two freight code API. So next, that data is passed to the freight code API node. So instead, a human manually logging into carrier portal to look up prices, N8N automatically talks to the carrier network and fetches the live real-time shipping rate in a split second. So here's how I set up. So the method is post and the URL is here, the weirwarp.com. So based on this link, so they get the freight code in any trucking company, just like an Amazon, just like UPS. So this is automated. So if you visit this website, you can get what we call that. You can get an API on this. The authentication is none. So after that, we will send the body. So type just the body content type is JSON. Specify body using JSON. So what we do now is open coder breezes. So origin zip. So this one is from this on form submissions. You will drag it and put it here so that it will send the data from the form submission. So this is the JSON, and the next one is markup. So I'm using this to edit fields. So once we have the row base rate, it goes through this 20% markup node. This is a manual code step I set up to automatically calculate and add a company profit margin to the price, completely eliminating human math error. So what I'm doing here is to rename this just like a customer price. So we will try to execute first. We will try to execute first. Let me share my screen in this. So I will execute setup step. I will share you my screen. Where are you now? There you go. Here. So I'm gonna try this one. So VA contaminate gmail.com. Grant Dominic. Let's try to 9001. This is a code. This is a zip code. Origin zip code. Destination is 1001. So let's try 6 pallets. And the weight is let's try 1 1,200. This is pounds. You submit it, and there you go, form submitted. And let's get back to the init end. Show it to you. Share my screen right now. We will check it here if they receive. Okay, they already received now. So I'm gonna pin this so that we can execute the rest of it. Spin it. So bear with me now. So 20% markup. So let's execute the workflow. Why is it working? Oh, it's working now. So transfer percent markup. It will send to the shipper and and also I created a CRM here in Google Sheets, so it will automatically log name of the customer. Let's see, let's see it here, the free code API. So this is an on-form submissions. So you will see that right now it's $2,491, and you will gonna put a markup on it. So there you go. So what I'm doing here in this, so I'm gonna put a field here, customer price, and also this is the base rate. See, let me check. This is a base rate, so I'm gonna drag it here, JSON price USD, and I'm gonna multiply it to the 1.20. So we all know that we all know that 100, this is a 100%, so I'm gonna put it 0.20 because this 20 is a 20%. So that is our markup. So the result is 2989.68 dollars. And also transit time here, transit time, we'll drag it to to here in the expression. So the next is to, after the markup, it will send to that email. So now the final price is ready. The send email to shipper node takes over. It automatically generates a professional email via Gmail and sends the official code straight to the customer's inbox while they're still on our website. So here, how I get this in this here in on-form submission, we will get the email of the customer on what they write on that website. So we will drag it here into, and you can see the result here earlier. And there you go. I created this through Gemini. Uh, this is AI, and what I'm going and what I do here is to edit this like this. Here your custom shipping details from, and I've replaced it to JSON so that if so that the customer fill in the form, so it will automatically locate on the pick up and drop off, and also it will edit automatically in my email draft. So I'm gonna show you the result later on. So next is to label to freight code email. So right after sending this label now, organizes our inbox by automatically tagging that email as a freight code inside Gmail, keeping our dashboard clean and structured. So what I've labeled here is a freight code emails, label names or IDs. So in this case, so I will the message ID I'll get it to the JSON. This is ID and send. So in this field, all emails, all emails for our all emails that already processed in the on-form submission, it will automatically label in freight code email. So if you look at your email, so there will be a label for that specific automation. So this is our sixth node, so log name of the customer. So finally, the workflow finishes at the log name of the customer node. So this appends a new row to our Google Sheets CRM, saving the customer's name, details, and quoted price so we never lose track of a lead. There you go. What I do here is this call. So this is from our sheets, and all of the fields are automatically placed on that CRM or CRM. So how I get this? So I get this here in the create code API. So every s- every data that will send to the create code API, I will put it here in the sheet so that I have a tracker here. Customer names, on form submission. Here is the on form submission name. There you go. Email. There you go. Origin, zip code here, destination zip code, pallets, here you go, pallets, and also the weight. And the total cost will be seeing here in 20% markup. So this is the final price. So the date quoted where in the on form submission, so there is right here submitted at here. So, but what happens after the quote is sent? So that's where our second workflow comes in, managing the operational middle of the deal based entirely on our spreadsheet updates. So this is our read reply. So it will automatically read every minute. It will read that if there is a reply from the customer, it will automatically up, it will automatically update the team through Slacks. So I'm gonna show you later how it works. Let's reply. So what? So so this is the router. So the data then hits the status change auto send email router node. So this acts like a digital traffic cop reading the new status and sending the data down one of three smart paths based on rules I set up. It's a router. And the next one is our read sheet. Also read the read sheets for the CR of our CRM. Let's check this. So it will check the CRM every minute from list of rate quoting automation. So this is the name of our sheets. So if there is an update, if there's an update, it's like I've updated in a row. It's like follow up. So if it is not changing in 1 minute, so it will automatically send a next automation on it. I will write back. I'm gonna pause this. I'm back. Where are we now? This is the it is if there is a row updated, so it will send a trigger. It's like here. So this one is path. So replied from. So router filters the email. No, this is not an email. Let me check. Yeah. So if the status is equal to follow up, so it'll send an email for follow up. So so this one can be changeable by the team. So if the status is changed to book, so there will be a next automation on that. So let's try how it works right now. Okay. So I'm gonna publish this first. Oh wait, I'll double check this. Check first. Let me put a reply on that. Oh, I'm not gonna change this. We will edit this later on. We'll publish it. Publish. Unpublish. So we will unpin this. Just click P. Publish. So I'm gonna share my entire screen right now, so you can see what's happening. Wait, I'm gonna remove this. Share screen. Entire screen. So we're seeing right now, loud and clear. We will test it. So first, we will execute the workflow, and we will gonna submit it. Another Sierra Hashbox. Oh, no, no, no. Let's test it in my one email. Bransky. original zip code 1000 original. I mean origin 1001 is pallets and there's 5 wait, let's try 143 1 4 30. Let's submit it and done. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, it says here that it's already sent to that email. Let me see what email is this. Yeah, this is from Grant Madigo. Let me see. Let me see to my other email. Oh, it's lagging right now. Oh my gosh, it's offline. This one, my email. This is not the one. Let's change this. Yeah, there it. Here it is. So this one is from after I fill up. I mean, after I fill in. So this is what it looks like. So here is the guaranteed all rate. So this is the markup after markup 2302.87 USD. Let's get back. So after that, after sending the email, so it will label the freight code. Let's check the freight code. Freight code email. Here's the labels. Let's check. There you go, Bransky. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. After that, it will automatically log name of the customer. So we will check it here in Google Sheets. So loading. See, there you go. The details is here, right? And it's updating the status coded. And this CRM will the team will be doing right here. So let's try to click here and I'm gonna assign this to myself. There you go. It's very long right now. So after this, watch, I'm gonna pause this for a while. Let's continue. Where are you now? So here, so the code is sent to the shipper, and let's try to reply here in my sample. So I'm gonna reply. So we will see my Slack. So there is no so So there is no there is no notification. So I will try to reply here. Let's put okay. I will I will book now. Let's let's proceed. Just the example. Just the example. Then I send it. So we will check it to that Slack if there is a notification. Let's wait. Let me see if this is already published. Yeah, it's already published. So let's wait it here. Let's check if it's working. It's not reading, so let's execute it. Hmm? Ah, there you go. There you go. So, hi team, there's a reply from Grant Dominic. So here's the reply. Okay, I will book now. Let's proceed. So if you click this email, check it for you. It will automatically show what the shipper replied. So you will get a notification real time. There you go. What's next? So this node is to send a notification to the team, and after that it will update the reply. Let's check if the status is updating. Oh, no update. Let me check. Let me double check. Oh, why? I'll I'll fix this first. Hey, see if it's working. Not, no, not working. me check why this is not working. It says here it's correct. Status reply. Oh, that is why. So there is a duplicate email here. This is so that is why this is status reply. So let's delete it. Let's try to delete it. It's same email, and we will focus this in Gransky. Okay, let's test it for the second time. We will put a reply because that is a real time reply here. Yo, send. Let's try if there is a yeah. There's a notification inside in Slack. And there you go, reply. I didn't change that, it's automatically changed it. Let's see the Slack. Yeah, there you go. Here is the reply. Yo, completed. Back to here. And let's try this read sheets for updated sheets and follow up. So what if we change it, change this to follow up? We were gonna change this in here in our CRM. This is the latest Guan's queue. We're gonna change this follow up. Let's try it. Follow up. It will automatically run because it's already published. So let's look to that email here. There is a new email. Let's wait. Let's wait for a minute because it will send an automated email after a minute for of the request here. So if there is no changes, it will send an automatic email. So we will expect to receive a follow-up email. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Following up on your recent faith call. I hope you're having a productive week. So this is the email that will automatically send to the shipper once the team will change here in our CRM. So let's delete it here so that it will not interrupt. Delete it. So what if I will change this? Let's see. So thank you for working with us. So we will expect this a message. Hello, thank you. Let us that this is test for the same confirmation. So here in the same confirmation, we will if there is if it will update a book. Oh no, it's confirmation sent. So once the status will change to confirmation sent, it will automatically send an email here. This is the email draft. So I will expect this. Hello, thank you. Let's check it right now. Where is it? So I'm gonna change this to confirmation sent. So we will wait here. Yeah, we'll wait here. So there will be an automated email after a minute of the confirmation send because we already changed the status here and it will send an email here. So, oh, there you go. So there is an automated. So your freight specialist. Thank you for booking with us. So hello, thank you. So this is automatic. So all you're gonna do is to change here in the status of your CRM. So let's try the last one, book. So if the status will change to book, it will send. No, it's not. It will send. It will read a row on the sheets, and after that, it will create another sheet here in book. Like it will append here. So let's test it if it's working. So I'm gonna change this to what we will expect is if after I click book, it will automatically append here. So let's test it out. Book. Let's see. I didn't change. Hands up. It will append here. Hands up. Let's wait a minute. Hands up. We will wait patiently. Very patient. Oh, there you go. So it's pending right now. So you can change it to replied or book. Again, any any changes here in CRM, it will automatically send an email or you can do many things on this automation. That's the last of our automation. And if you want help to build it in your if you are a broker, I can help you with this automation. I will end my screen right now. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. For thumbnail.